Good morning Year 4. Welcome to your final maths video for this week. I know it's only Thursday, but I'm going to talk you through today's maths learning and tomorrow's maths learning because there's not a lot for me to share with you and you need to go off and do some things on your own. But I just wanted us to start by having a look at this complete the missing number problem together because we haven't really seen a problem like this before. And I wanted to give you a hint on how to get started or talk through how we could solve this type of problem. We know, don't we, that if we were solving a normal division problem by chunking and we got our solution, to check if we were right, we would do the inverse, we would do the opposite to divide, which would be multiply. And I can see here that we haven't actually got the number, the total, that we need to divide into 5. But I know that if we were to multiply our solution by 5, because we're doing the opposite of divide, it would give us the total. Now the problem here is we've got a remainder of 2. So I'm not sure how to solve this really, but what I'm going to do first is I'm going to think about if my answer was just 143, to check I would multiply that by 5 and that would give me my total. So that's going to be my starting point. Now you can do a grid method. I'm not going to do that today. I am just going to partition my number and I'm going to try and work it out mentally in my head because I'm really confident with my 5 times table. So I'm just going to type some jottings down here as I go. So I can see I've got 143. I can see that my hundreds number is just 100, and if I multiply that by 5, I'm really confident that that's 500. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my tens digit, and my tens digit is 40. It's not a 4, it's 40, and I'm going to multiply my 40 by 5, and that gives me, well, I know 4 times 5 is 20, and I know that I've got to make that 10 times bigger, so I know that 40 multiplied by 5 is 200. And then I've got my ones digit, which is 3, and I'm really confident that I know that 3 times 5 is equal to 15. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to add my parts together, which is really easy again to do in my head. I've got 500 add 200, which is 700, and then I've got 15 more, which is 715, okay? But I can see I've got a remainder of 2. I've got 2 left over. So I think what I've got to do here is I've got to add that 2. I've got to add that 2 onto 715 to get 717. I think the answer to go in here, the missing number, is 717. You could always check it now by trying to solve it using chunking to see if you get the solution as 143 remainder 2, but I think that's how we would do that type of question. So today what you're going to do is you're going to be doing some more problem solving, but you're going to be solving some correspondence problems. And what I'd like you to do today is I'd like you to follow the White Rose lesson today, and you'll find the link to the lesson in the PDF document in the Google Drive. So all you need to do is pull that document up and then click on the link, and it will take you to the video which will talk you through the lesson, and the sheets that you need to complete, the worksheets and the answer sheets, are all in the Google Drive under Thursday under maths. So you'll be able to find everything you need there. So good luck, have fun. They're quite good fun correspondence problems. You can have quite a lot of fun with them. So have a good go at that. And then tomorrow's maths is really showing what you know about multiplication and division, and you've got a little bit of a end of unit quiz to do. We've done these a couple of times now, so you're really familiar with what you have to do. So this is where you show what you know by just solving the problems independently, and normally in the classroom we would ask you to work on your own, thinking about what you've learned over the last few weeks about multiplication and division, and really having a good go at the questions. Now, I know some of you might find the reading difficult, and that's okay. So you can ask a family member to help you by reading the words to you. What they're not allowed to do is they're not allowed to help you with the maths. The maths has got to be all your own effort today. And you can do this. Everything on this little quiz that we've got, we have already done over the last couple of weeks. So I know that you're going to do a really good job. So you will find the quiz sheets in the Google Drive. And again, you can print them out if you want to, but there's no requirement to. You don't need to. You can just do the answers on a sheet of paper. And then all the answers for you to mark your own, or for your family member to mark them with you, are all there in the Google Drive as well. So you've got a couple of little quizzes. You've got, this one's quiz A. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions for quiz A. Don't worry that it goes from number 6 to number 8. I've just taken a question out of there because the White Rose people don't do multiplication and division like we do. They do it a different way, and I didn't want you to get confused. So there are a couple of questions missing that might confuse you. So have a go at those. And then you've got quiz B, and you've got questions 1, 4, 6, 7, 9 and 10. All right, and don't forget to say at the end how confident you feel with division. Are you not confident? This would be, I'm a little bit confident. I think I'm okay. I can do it. And this is, yeah, I really understand this. Okay, and it's all right, remember, to be a 1 or a 2. That's absolutely fine. And you need to do the same with the multiplication one as well. Okay, so not very confident. I feel confident. I can do these on my own. Oh, yeah, really easy. I found it super easy. Okay, so have a little go at your quizzes. And then, like I said, go back and mark them with your family members. And then that's you done for the week. So I won't see you tomorrow for a maths video. You can kind of just do that on your own. But make sure you send your learning through to us on the Year 4 email. And then have a fabulous weekend. See you later. Bye.